If your Wix website isn't ranking, it might not be your content, it might be your keywords. It might be your technical SEO, specifically broken redirects, incorrect canonicals, or pages that Google isn't even indexing. And most beginners don't even know these settings exist. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up proper 301 redirects in Wix, fix canonical tag issues, control what Google indexes, avoid duplicate content problems, and clean up your site structure. And don't worry, I'm going to assume you're brand new, so by the end of this video, you'll understand technical SEO on Wix in plain English. Let's start with the basics. Before we jump into Wix, let's simplify this. A redirect tells Google, this page moved, go here instead. If you delete a page without a redirect, Google hits a dead end, and that hurts ranking. A canonical tells Google, this is the main version of this content. If you have similar pages, for example, yourstore.com/shoes equals color black, Google needs to know which one is primary. Otherwise, duplicate content confusion happens. Indexing tells Google, show this page in search results or do not show this page. Not every page should be indexed. Thank you pages, cart pages, and login pages. These should usually be no indexes. Now let's fix everything properly. Before we continue, if you don't have an account for Wix, you can create one using the link in the description below. In Wix, in the left column, go down to Marketing and then select SEO and GEO. Scroll down until you find URL Redirect Manager. This is where redirects live, so we're going to open that. Once the URL Redirect Manager page has opened, in the top right corner select New Redirect. You will see two fields, Old URL and New URL. If you deleted old service pages and replace it with Web Design Services, you'll enter the old services page, and then the new URL will be Web Design Services. Make sure it's 301 redirect, which is permanent. Why 301? Because it passes SEO authority. Never use temporary redirects unless absolutely necessary. When should you use redirects? You should set redirects when you change a URL, you delete a page, you merge two blog posts, you rebrand a product or restructure your site. Every deleted page without a redirect is wasted authority. Before you delete anything, check if it's getting traffic. Go to Google Search Control, Pages. If it gets impressions or clicks, redirect it properly. Let's avoid beginner mistakes. Redirecting everything to homepage. Creating redirect chains. Forgetting internal link updates. A redirect chain is page A, page B, page C. Google prefers page A, page C directly. So if you change URLs multiple times, update the redirect. Keep it clean. Now let's talk canonicals. In Wix, in the left column, scroll down to Site and Mobile App. Open it and then go to SEO and GEO. Scroll to the bottom and select SEO settings. Then select the page you are looking for. So we will open main pages and then go to contact, then select edit page. You will then see SEO settings for contact. Go to advanced, scroll down to additional tags, and then you will see canonical. By default, Wix sets canonicals automatically, but sometimes you need manual control. When do canonicals matter? Canonicals matter when you have similar service pages, you duplicate product descriptions, you run filtered category pages, or you republish similar blog content. For example, local SEO services. If the content is very similar, you might set one as canonical. But be careful, canonicals tell Google, only rank this version, so use carefully. If pages are different and serve different intent, do not canonicalize them to one page. That removes ranking opportunity. Most pages should have self-referencing canonicals, meaning the canonical URL equals the page URL. For example, page, yourdomain.com Wix SEO tips. This confirms to Google that this is the original version. Wix usually handles this automatically. Just don't override it accidentally. Now let's control what Google sees. Now, in the same settings, go back to basic, scroll to the bottom until you see let search engines index this page. If this is turned off, as mine is, Google won't rank it. Sometimes Sometimes beginners accidentally disable indexing. You want to make sure that you turn it on. As you can see, I have a note here that tells me that I need to go to Site Preferences in SEO Settings to change this. Then I turn on Site Indexing, Show Site, and my site can now be indexed by search engines. Always double check this for home pages, service pages, blog posts, and product pages. Make sure they're indexable. Pages you should usually no index. Thank you pages, checkout pages, login pages, internal search results, duplicate tag pages. You don't want Google ranking irrelevant pages. That wastes scroll budget. Fixing duplicate content issues. Duplicate content confuses search engines. Common Wix duplicate issues. HTTP and HTTPS versions, www and non-www, and parameter URLs. Wix automatically handles most of this, but you must choose one primary domain nation. For example, HTTPS, yourdomain.com. To set this, in the left column go to Settings, then click Domains. Consistency matters. Clean URL structure. Here is a bad URL. Yourdomain.com page 123. Now this is a good URL. Yourdomain.com Wix SEO guide. To change a URL, in the left column scroll down to Settings, then go to SEO Settings. Go to the page that you would like to edit, then toggle over the page and select Edit. You will then see your URL slug. Keep URLs short, descriptive, and keyword focused. Avoid dates, random numbers, and special characters. Once published, don't change URLs without adding redirects. If you're blogging on Wix, make sure each post is indexable. Meta title is optimized. Meta description is written manually. Go to blog post and then SEO settings. Don't rely on auto-generated descriptions. Write compelling summaries. Wix automatically generates robots.txt. You can access it by typing yourdomain.com/robots.txt. You can customize it by going to the left column, scrolling down to Site and Mobile App, then selecting SEO and GEO. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and you will see Robots.txt editor. Be very careful here. Blocking the wrong pages can destroy rankings. If you don't understand Robots.txt fully, don't edit it. Wix auto-generates sitemap. yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. Submit to Google Search Console. This ensures that Google finds your pages faster. Never manually create a sitemap in Wix. Use the automatic one. If Google finds your page but doesn't index it, reasons could be thin content, duplicate content, low authority, or slow page. Improve content depth, internal linking, and page speed. Then request indexing in Search Console. Internal links strengthen indexing. Link blog, service pages blog, home page important pages, and use descriptive anchor text. Not click here. Instead, Wix SEO Technical Guide. This improves crawl clarity. Avoid orphan pages. Orphan pages have no internal links. Google struggles to find them. Check your site structure. Make sure every page is linked from somewhere. Menu, footer, blog, service page. No page should exist in isolation. How redirects, canonicals, and indexing work together. Think of it like this. Redirects equals road signs. Canonicals equal content authority signal. Indexing equals permission to appear in search. If one is wrong, ranking suffers. If all three are optimized, your site becomes clean and crawlable. Google loves clean structure. Common Wix SEO myths. Wix is bad for SEO. False. Wix today is fully capable of ranking. The problem is usually user error, poor structure, poor content, poor technical setup, not the platform. The smart way to grow on Wix. Here's your checklist. Clean URL structure, no broken pages, proper 301 redirects, self-referencing canonicals, only important pages indexed, sitemap submitted, and strong internal linking. Do this once, maintain it quarterly, and your SEO foundation is solid. Today we covered how to set up Redirect in Wix, when to use 301 redirects, how canonical tags work, self-referencing canonicals, indexing controls, duplicate content fixes, robot.txt basics, sitemap submission, and internal linking strategy. Technical SEO sounds scary, but it's just structure. Clean structure equals better rankings. If you don't have an account for Wix yet, you can create one using the link in the description below. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.